You know what? I'm just gonna say it. The former Shield going against each other in a triple threat for the McDonald's ba-da-ba-ba-ba championship. Oh, he's gonna be Roman, which is frightening. Jesus, help me now. Help me, Jesus. Wait, uh, triple threat. Evie Mania. Yes. Calm down. And I guess I'm gonna play as Seth because I know his fighting style the most. Where's this? We need to fix this. For the title.